Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Oppo Reno 8 Pro. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Then click on Kids and Family and click on Parental Controls. Now click on Let's do this and click Sign in. Then you have to choose Google. And here you have to enter your child's email address. And click Next. And now you have to enter your password. Then click I agree. Now click Accept. And then click on Supervise. And click Next. And now you have to enter your parent email address. And then click Next. And now you have to enter your password. Now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password. Then click Next. And click Allow. Now click Next again. And click Done. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.